Hello everyone and welcome back to VLADA'S place. One of my biggest passions in life is growing fruit trees, and I currently have over 150 of them. With over 100 lemons and one single apple tree, I have had countless opportunities to create easy and all-natural recipes. This apple tart is super simple, so we are starting with 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of flour, and half a cup of brown sugar. If you happen to have a lemon in your home, add a little lemon zest before you combine all the ingredients together. Now, the key to creating the base for this tart is simply incorporating as much as flour and sugar as possible into butter. So work the flour and the butter through your fingers until you reach this consistency. Next, we're gonna get our tart dish ready. And by the way, I got this dish in a thrift shop. It's made in France and it's of high quality, but I didn't have to spend a fortune for it. So when you shop around, be wise and save your money. Once done, set the dough to bake for 10 minutes on 350. Next, we're going to move on to apples, and you're going to need about 4 large or 5 medium apples. I'm adding just a touch of lemon juice to keep the freshness and to keep the color. Also, I'm adding 3/4 cup of a brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. To that, you can add a little bit of vanilla, approximately 1 teaspoon or a little bit more. Mix the ingredients well so all the apples are nicely coated with sugar, vanilla, and cinnamon. I'm just waiting for the crust to be ready, after which I will arrange the apples on the top. So if you do have a lemon in a house and you used it in a crust, I would suggest to add a few more lemon zest to the apples. This will not hurt. So with this done, we're ready to start arranging them. Have fun doing this, and don't worry so much if the actual arrangement or the layout of apples it's perfect. The important thing is you have all natural ingredients here, and no matter how you do it and how you arrange the apples, this little dessert will be delicious. So after you're done arranging them, just sprinkle some of that juice that you will find on the bottom of a dish and let them bake for about 15 minutes on 350. 15 minutes into baking, and we're going to add the rest of the apple and cinnamon and sugar sauce. I'm also adding a little bit of olive oil. You can use the butter, but I love baking with olive oil, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit olive oil on the top of apples and put them back in the oven for additional 15 minutes. Quick, easy, inexpensive, and all natural. This recipe is great served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Till next time, take good care of yourself and those around you.